You've got mail.
Greetings, everyone. John Cook here from the Educational Technology team in CPD. We're back with another series of EdTech's tips designed to make your life as a member of CVTC easier. This week, we'll begin a series on email with a look at the different email programs available to us. There are three basic ways of checking your email. The first is a classic Outlook program or app on Windows or Mac. A version of Outlook was introduced in 1997. Since then, Outlook was redesigned and fully incorporated into the Office suite. It's now part of our Office 365. The program is generally installed on computers at CVTC. There will be a shortcut somewhere on your computer to access the installed program or app. Here on my computer, it's located down in the taskbar, or you can always find it in the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon and scrolling down to Outlook. You may have also created a shortcut on your desktop. If you want to install this version on your personal device, you can head over to office.com and install the Office 365 apps, which includes the Outlook app. From the office.com website, click on the waffle menu, which is the 9 dots in the upper left corner. Click on the Office link. And when it appears, click on the Install Office button from the right-hand side. And from this drop-down, click the Office 365 apps. This will download onto your computer, and it's similar for the Windows machine, which I'm using, as well as Macs. And you click the Office Setup.exe to launch the installer and download all of the Office apps, including Microsoft Outlook. As a side note, you can install the software on up to 5 devices using your CVTC login. The second way to access email is through the web using an internet browser. There are several ways to get the web version of Outlook. From the Commons homepage, you can click the Outlook link, or by clicking the waffle in the upper left-hand corner and then selecting Outlook. The site office.com also works, and Outlook is available from the menu, or click on the waffle and select Outlook. This will launch the web version. Finally, you can access Outlook using a mobile device. Now, there are 2 ways to set up your mobile device. You can use the built-in mail program or use the Outlook app from either the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iOS. We recommend using the Outlook app instead of the default mail program. It makes for 2 places to check your email, but it also keeps your business communication in its own app and separate from your personal correspondence. There are great knowledge-based articles on getting Outlook installed on your mobile device, so head over to kb.cvtc.edu and do a search for Outlook. As always, feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. Stop down to CPD or shoot us an email at edtech@cvtc.edu. Have a great week.